I just heard a shot outside. I don't know what's happened. Oh, you can see the bags in mine. Look who's cooking for me. What are you making?
Soup. Shrimp soup.
Bam. Gonna eat good today. You know, you were actually the very first time you were in my vlogs was the last vlog.
What?
The very first time you were in my vlogs was the last vlog.
For real?
Yeah, you were there for like a split second, but you were in it. Oh my
what
god.
was I doing?
It was more of the Adam Devine thing.
Oh.
You won't remember. You have memory loss.
That's not cool.
So, I've been studying for the past like 10 hours, not even over exaggerating. This is just like a random update because I literally haven't done anything camera worthy in a while. So, I'm just blabbing on at this point. What are we doing, Becky? We're going to Cape and Auditorium so we can do this shoot that I need to do for this thing I need to do. I'm just gonna really take some pictures in a random auditorium. This is really good lighting, honestly. I'm trying to turn the light on. Oh, it's this. They're not turning on. Oh, they went brighter. Oops. This way is rockstar. We got the backdrop going too. It looks so much prettier on the computer. You should be studying, but you're on your phone.
I'm texting Moy. Okay, he's in my class. We're failing this together.
The fact that I barely passed this class though.
Bro, like, look at this. I need to learn all
Just
of
kidding,
this.
I passed it.
I need to learn all of this
It's like
by
a B.
tomorrow. I literally know nothing. Look at all. Bro, this is a lot.
And you're studying it now, and when is it? What time is your exam tomorrow?
9 a.m. 9:30.
This looks super sketchy, like, to be honest. Yes, it does. I don't know why. I feel like this is like out of a scene where you're walking by yourself at night and then someone comes out and attacks you. This is literally what it looks like. We're on our way to go get, well, she's gonna go get DP dough. And I'm just along for the ride. And then we're gonna go sneak into the construction site again because now they have stairs. We both have to wake up early.
Whatever. I have to wake up at 9. You have to wake up at 10.
I mean, like,
That's
early. I don't have to wake up until like 12, and so that's early. Okay, we're back, and it's still really muddy. But oh, that's why this is here. Oh, this feels like it's gonna break. Come on. Okay. This is how it looks.
Turn the light off.
Well, we kind of need to see where we're going. It's not my fault. Doritos. Nice, nice, nice. This is creepy. Let's go to the 3rd floor. Oh, dude, look, there's no roof. You can barely see. Look, there's no roof. So you can see like right above everything. This is really cool. You can see. This is, if this is a window, I highly doubt it, but
I don't think so.
this would be a cool like little thing. I missed that. She just broke something. There's like, that's a whole other side of different wonderments, but I highly doubt we'll go on that side because it's the same thing. You looked really creepy. That car's backing up. That car just drove backwards.
What was it?
I don't think so. He went like from down the block all the way back. There's someone all the way down there. I don't know if you want to go or not. They're all the way at the end. I don't know. Oh, he's crossing. He's crossing. Well, we did it. We looked at the finished, almost finished product of this really amazing apartment.
May you never be on my show. And he just goes around insulting everybody. Why do that?